Hello everybody, my name is Synthect, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the DS0 Digital Oscilloscope to any type of synthesizer. In this video case, we're going to be using the Korg Monotron delay, just easy and portable. So first thing first, you're going to need a stereo auxiliary cable. I imagine mono will probably work perfectly fine. Haven't tested it. First thing first is attach it to the headphone or output of your synthesizer or audio device you want to see the frequencies of. Then you take the probe connects, you connect the black one to the bottommost ring. This will be your ground. You can connect the red one to either the tip or the second ring. It does not matter, just make sure they're not on both. I personally just connect it to the tip to make it easier. After that is done, let's power on our oscilloscope. It is now on, so let's power on our synthesizer device. Kind of using crappy webcam, so bear with me here. So once connected to the auxiliary cord, you should notice it should be a standard line. Should not fluctuate at all. If there's fluctuations in this, you might most likely have interference from the cable or surrounding electronic devices. So let's see. Just making sure everything's set. Really, it's as simple as that. You play audio, and you can see the waveform here. In the course of the monotron delay, it is only a sawtooth waveform. A tip for if you're going into the lower frequencies as well with this device, if you hit select down here, and make sure the little blue box is on the 0.2 milliseconds. If you hit plus or minus, it will increase or decrease that time. So let's go to 0.5, and not quite. So at 2 milliseconds, the lower frequencies are easier to see. Meanwhile, the higher frequencies will be more jumbled together. So to get back from that, you just hit plus again until you get it to where you want it. And that's pretty much it. Just saw a lot of comments online, people questioning how to connect this to a device. And it's really as simple as just make sure the electrical inputs are on the ground and either left or right of a stereo auxiliary cable coming out of an audio device. Thank you for watching.